We'll go for a ride around Branson and check out a new highway called the High Road. How about that? Huh? Yeah.
This is a Branson Biker magazine. We just got finished taking tour number 3. It goes from Highway 248 in Branson and it'll bring you around the lake. You'll cross about 4 different bridges that go over Table Rock Lake. Right now we're at the midway point, so to speak, and we're fixing to complete the loop. We're going to stop and have a little hamburger at a little mom and pop's dairy place. So y'all come on and go with a ride on this and you're going to have a lot of fun.
Hey, this is a good ride today, George. Old buddy from Branson, George and Rabbit over here.
Bad we don't have a picture of the Ozark outhouses.
That's Steve Kai. Steve Kai's from Boston. That's Big George, Little Debbie, Vicky, Renee.
This is what you get when you really ride.
Ray.
Just met him at the food place.
John. Myself, Slice, a.k.a. Slaka. All righty.